Mother's Day is about thanking moms for all they do. And if there's one thing that makes moms feel more valued, it's having someone do something for them because it's required, not because it's something that they wanted to do in the first place. And truthfully, nothing can really sum up the last 364 days of a mom moving heaven and earth itself to get her children schooled and fed while maintaining a normal household and a 9-to-5 job, all while letting go of her sanity and personal hygiene as one arbitrary Sunday in May can. Am I right, moms? So if you're wondering what the perfect Mother's Day gift could be during quarantine since she can't go to the spa or salon, this video's for you. Hope you're as excited as I am because today's video is going to be top 3 best quarantine Mother's Day gifts with a bonus slam dunk. Number 3, here's a winning idea. Do all your own shit for one day. Just one day. What could possibly be easier? Run a load of laundry. Make yourself some food. Clean up the dishes. Moms don't ask for much. Give her the gift of having to do absolutely nothing for one single day. You know, maybe she'd like to use all that free time and shave for once this year. Or who knows, maybe she'd like to get drunk and pass out naked in the backyard. Let her do her for just one day. Number 2. Mom's way. Give her what she really wants. The gift of not fighting from sun up to sundown. Do all the things that you know she loves before she has to yell at you, like brushing your hair and putting on underwear. Now, I'm not saying that she will actually love you more for doing these things and acting like a civilized human being, but it might feel like it. Number 1, thoughtfulness. Because every mother is unique and beautiful and special in their own way. Why not do something unique and special for her and make her a card instead of buying a bulk manufactured card with a stock poem on it and doing absolutely no effort with signing your name? Why not even a small gesture like making her a cup of coffee or making her favorite breakfast? And I'm willing to bet that you probably don't know what her favorite breakfast is, so go ahead and just ask her directly. I guarantee you it's not a bowl of cereal or a pancake shaped like a you-know-what.
Here, Mom, I love you.
Mwah, you're my favorite.
Here, Mom, I love you.
You're my favorite. Basically what I'm saying, guys, is if you all want to really win at Mother's Day, think of all the things that you normally do and then do the opposite. And you know what? If all else fails, just get her a bottle of wine. No gift says I love you more than the gift of being blackout drunk and forgetting that you're stuck in quarantine with a bunch of mini versions of yourself and a spouse whose murder you've choreographed every night for the past 32 sleeps. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms.